privileged to receive Dr. Mahathir. Tomorrow is a big day for Pakistan, a national day. And to have Dr. Mahathir honor it has been something that across the board, every Pakistani has appreciated it.
We do not care about the internal politics and internal ideologies, but we want to be friendly with them so that we can trade with them and we can source a lot of things that we need from them. And so Malaysia today officially has no enemies. Maybe others might consider ourselves the enemy, except for Israel. We have never had any relation with Israel. I need to promote one Malaysian product in Pakistan in the hope that we can work together in producing that product. And so I would like to give to the Prime Minister of Pakistan a Proton car.
Please unveil the plaque so that I can invite the heads of state. So you'll have to walk and sign the plaque. This is what they say.